Morning student, we are going to read chapter number 8 often page number 89. Charlotte said Mrs. Sawberry heartlessly, rudely, that means free man. Mrs. Sawberry said rudely, free man. Our dog Tramp hasn't come back since morning, so now he has to do without his meal. Mrs. Sawberry said that our dog he hadn't come back since morning, so now he have to remain without his food. Give his food to this boy, and this food, dog food, give to the boy. Oliver ate the dog's meat hungrily. And then Mr. Sawberry led Miss took Oliver to a bed among means in between the coffins. Coffin means a box in which dead bodies are kept. A shiver ran down his spine as he looked around in fear. Shiver means shake with fear. Spine means a bone at the back. Okay, and when Oliver looked around in fear, a shiver ran down his spine. He wondered if there were any ghosts. Ghost means a spirit of dead person, and he was shocked that if there were any ghost. The place had an eerie feeling. Eerie means strange and frightening feeling. He could not sleep and he remained restless all night. He could not sleep, and so that's why he remained restless all night. A loud sound of kicking on the door disturbed Oliver. There was a loud sound of kicking. Kicking means hit with leg on the door, and Oliver was getting disturbed. A fat boy named Mr. No. There was a fat boy, and his name was Mr. No. Claypole stood at the door. He kicked Oliver. He also kicked Oliver and teased. Tease means to laugh somebody to make him upset. Taunted. Taunted means made fun with cruel words. Okay, so no, he teased and taunted Oliver. He pulled his hair. He pulled his hair and twisted his ears. Twist means also pulled. No, pulled his hair and ears. Oliver remained quiet, but Oliver he remained quiet. And then No said, "How about your mother?" And then No asked him about his mother. She dead. Don't say anything about her, Oliver said. Oliver said that my mother is dead and don't say anything about her. Did she die of poor house? No said hard-heartedly means without sympathy. No said without sympathy that did she die of poor house? The nurses told me that she died of a broken heart. Broken heart means sorrow. Said Oliver sadly as the tears rolled down his cheeks. And the Oliver said that my mother has died of a broken heart. And when he said these words, the tear was rolling down her cheeks. A real bad woman, she would be hanged. Hanged means killed, said No. No said, yes, your mother was a bad woman and she would be hanged. She would be to kill. Oliver reacted immediately in hurry. Reacted means act in opposite way. Fury means anger. And Oliver reacted in anger. He overthrew the table and chair, caught No by the throat and shook him up. He threw over means turned over. He turned over the table and chair and caught No by the throat and shook him up. After this incident means happening, Oliver decided to run away, and he did. After this happening, Oliver decided that he would not live there and he would run from there, and he did same. He told only little Dick. Dick was a name of a girl, okay, who was ill and dying. He told this thing only to the girl Dick that I am going, and the girl was ill and she was going to die. Dick said, go away, goodbye, God bless you. And Dick said to Oliver, go away, goodbye, God bless you. This was the only blessing that Oliver had ever received, and this was the first and the last blessing which Oliver had received. He quietly left Mr. Sawberry place for an unknown future, and Oliver quietly left Mr. Sawberry's place for an unknown future means he don't know where he would go and what he would do. So this chapter is complete.